Your rights during a Terry stop. Avoid mistakes. Imagine being stopped by the police on the street and feeling unsure about what you can say or do. Knowing your rights during a Terry stop can make a big difference in protecting yourself. A Terry stop is a quick detention based on reasonable suspicion that you are involved in criminal activity. It is not an arrest, but it allows officers to question you and, if they believe you might be armed and dangerous, to conduct a limited pat-down search for weapons. This stop must be based on specific facts, not just a gut feeling or hunch. Many people make mistakes during these stops that can hurt their legal position later. One common mistake is not knowing when a stop is legal. Officers need to have reasonable suspicion, which means they must point to clear facts that suggest you are involved in a crime. If they do not, the stop could be unlawful. Accepting a stop without questioning its legality can lead to rights violations. Another mistake is volunteering information or giving consent to searches without understanding your rights. You do not have to answer questions beyond providing your name if asked by law. You also do not have to agree to a search of your person or belongings. If you give consent without knowing that you can refuse, evidence found during the search might be used against you later. Staying calm and polite is important, but you should also be firm about your rights. If an officer asks to search you or your belongings, clearly state that you do not consent. You can say, "I do not consent to a search." This simple statement can help protect your rights. If you are unsure whether you are free to leave, ask the officer directly. Say, "Am I free to go?" If they say yes, you can walk away. If they say no, then you are being detained, and the stop must be brief and based on facts. During a Terry stop, officers can only pat down your outer clothing if they reasonably believe you are armed and dangerous. They cannot search further without your permission or probable cause. If they try to do so, you should state clearly that you do not consent and ask for a lawyer if you are detained longer or if you are arrested. After the encounter, write down everything you remember. Note the officer's name, badge number, what was said, and if there were any witnesses. This record can be helpful if you need to challenge any rights violations later. To avoid mistakes, stay calm and respectful. Do not run or make sudden movements. Clearly state that you do not consent to searches beyond a pat-down for weapons. Ask if you are free to leave, and remember that silence cannot be used against you. If you are detained longer or arrested, ask for a lawyer right away. Knowing your rights and how to assert them can help you avoid unnecessary legal trouble during a Terry stop.